I'm just asking just for my own peace of mind.
Yeah.
But you will be providing an invoice, right? You will
Of course, every time there is a payment, even for SMS, so like every time you load it, there's going to be an invoice.
Beautiful. As long as there's an HST number, we're good to go. So I think we're all good.
Done. Amazing. Good job.
Beautiful. I love it.
Okay. Can you log into the system?
Okay, I'm already logged in. So I go to settings.
Actually, no. Go to just like a regular menu, and then there you can go to marketing. So click marketing in the menu section. You see those Facebook, Instagram in the middle of the screen. So you just click on Facebook one by one. Yeah, it will ask you to log in, connect.
This would be for Facebook, and any Facebook marketplace that I have. Would it also sync into here? No, right?
Facebook Marketplace is personal. And personal accounts cannot be integrated with any business tools and softwares, unfortunately.
This is only the Facebook, our Facebook business account.
Business pages and business Instagram.
So which one should I do? Current pages only? This one?
Current and future page. Yeah, continue.
Just this one? Are you sure? I do have for example, like I just don't want to have all of that in here.
Gotcha.
You know?
Okay, well, you can click on the second one. Yeah, and then unselect everything except. Yeah, so you select that one, click continue, and then scroll down a bit, and we're good there. Yeah, and then save. Got it.
I didn't even sign in.
Yeah, because you already been signed in the browser. So we kind of just like selected the business page. And then you want to do the same for the Instagram as well.
So which Facebook accounts do you want to connect? Do I have to do this or?
Yeah, and then reconnect. Perfect. Which Facebook account? And then close this one. Click on the GBP, Google Business Profile in the middle of the screen. GBP, yes, that one. That's the one that controls your Google Maps.
Continue. Yeah, this is my Google business listing, everything. Like this is everything, our business reviews, all that stuff.
Yeah, so you can just click add and it's connected.
Beautiful.
You can just close it. Okay, let's go to settings now.
Yeah, I remember when I went here. So this is where I went and everything's set up.
Yeah, that one is good. So we already, everything is filled out. So that's good. So the business information is good. We move on to billing. So in the settings, billing, second one.
Okay, but everything here is correct. Should I also do this?
Email, yes, by the way, yeah. I forgot. Email two-way sync.
One by one, so that way we just hammer out every page.
Absolutely. Perfect. So that's good.
Okay, so back and forth.
Yep. So now if you scroll down, we can also, might as well here, connect the calendar. So if you scroll up a little bit, you see that one?
Right here.
Calendars.
And this is going to go into my Outlook calendar, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. So anything I book will go straight into my Outlook calendar.
It's both ways, two-way sync, the same way.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so what you have in your Outlook will be booked off in the system so that people cannot book in the calendar for those slots that are in you already. Perfect. Let's refresh the page because sometimes it gives an error after sometimes you have to connect twice for some reason. But anyway, let's refresh. Okay, let's scroll down a bit. Okay, so email's connected, scroll down again, and this is the calendars. Calendars are connected as well. Good. That's good. So we are done here, and then go to billing in the menu section, gray area, billing. Yeah. So that's where you connect the card. It will be all the charges.
So I got a question for the billing. Do we, is this all going to be verbal or is there going to be a contract between us for the $350 a month? Like, how do you do it with your clients?
And I can create a contract if you want, but they're usually there's for this simple subscription because it's so, it's just a software subscription. There's usually no contracts, but I can include it or I can create it separately. Obviously, it's kind of first of the month. So you pay the first of the month and then, but 30 days would be ideal to kind of cancel, to just give me a heads up. I'm
just asking just for my own peace of mind. Yeah. But you will be providing an invoice, right? You will
Of course, every time there is a payment, even for SMS, because basically it will be kind of a wallet. So you will be loading credits to your wallet, and from that wallet, the charges will be taken out. So every time you load it, there's going to be an invoice.
And then we'll be getting an invoice with your HST number on there, right?
Yep.
Beautiful. As long as there's an HST number, we're good to go. Okay, so that we already figured out. I'll upload the payment method. So January 1st, right?
Can you do the payment method now? So because we're gonna buy a phone number in the system and it will charge money.
I'm talking about the phone number, for example. If we do that right now, we're gonna get the process started for the A2P verification.
Yeah.
And then once we get the A2P verification done, I just don't want because you're gonna give me the email for me to get the ADP, right? For them to send ADP format to you. I just don't want the system to be set up that it's gonna be on right away, because then the automations are still gonna go through until the end of December right now. If you're gonna turn on on your end, then that means they're going to be hit from both CRM.
Not like that, because I will not import the contacts for the email and everything until the first of the month. I mean, like, okay, we can start importing the contacts now, but then those contacts will not be hit by SMS and emails.
Yes, but the new leads that are going to be coming in. So that's why I don't want them to be hit from both directions. You know what I mean? Like, would you be able to just not have the workflows on?
Exactly. Yeah. The workflows are off, so people are not getting double messages.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking at. Otherwise, boom. Okay. Add payment. Okay.
Lovely.
Right? Like, I need to do this. Save my information.
Optional. It's optional. You don't need that.
Okay. Because I mean, like, this is the details that we'll be using for, like, you know, like the SMS, the email, the phone calls, for everything. So if I do click save my information, that's like my personal information, but this will be saved in the system, right? Like, this payment information will be saved.
It will be saved. Yes.
Okay. Sounds
good. Okay. So it looks good. Can you go to settings and integrations and then connect Facebook and Instagram there as well?
Sweet. Settings.
So setting integrations, and then you will see like Facebook and Instagram logos. Facebook so you see that one? Yeah. So that's where you click.
Okay.
And then select pages. Okay. And then select that one and then connect and continue. Well, we'll test. So I'm gonna send you a message and let's see if it populates in the Gripping Digital. Okay, so that one is done, which is good. Let's go back to the integrations and the settings, and then let's log in to Google and use the email for the Google Maps. So that one, sure. I mean, we don't have a phone right now, but you can click connect. So basically, like, if that one is checked and we have a phone number in the system, it will replace the phone number that is on the Google business profile. Click, keep it checked and then click connect.
Select analytics.
Yeah, that one. Yep. And then that's good. And then you see Google business profile on the right hand side. That one as well. Just select that one. Just click checkbox and yes.
Please make sure you have selected all the pages you want to connect to before you. So that's it, right? This is it?
Yep. Okay, so that's good. Did you click connect?
Yeah, I click connect.
Confirm. Okay, I think that you can just click go back. Yeah. And then refresh the page. Let's see what's there. Okay, so good. It says connected. Okay, that's good. So we are done there. Emails is done. Domains for the websites are done. In the new browser tab, can you type your business profile to have that Google Maps and all the business profile stuff? Great. And then hold on. At the top section, you see ask for reviews. The last one on the list, that one, yes. So click that and then copy this link. You see review link, copy that. Now let's go back to Gripping Digital and go to custom values. It's a little bit higher than integrations. So you see integrations at the bottom and then it's custom values. Yeah, that one. Google review link. That one.
The checkbox it?
No, just 3 dots all the way on the right. Edit and paste it there. Value. Great. And then click update. Awesome. So that one is done. We're moving very quickly today. So we did the Google Calendar, we did the Google account, we did the Google business profile. Facebook account is done. I'm gonna send you a message right now on Instagram. Let's see if it will populate in Gripping Digital. Hello.
You should go to conversations, right?
It will go to conversations, yeah. Beautiful. So so it works. Great. Okay, now let's go to settings, bottom left corner, and phone numbers. Yeah, phone systems. Add phone number. Select Canada, and then filter, unselect toll free, and then in the search by digit or phrase, that one, put 647 because that's our local number, right? I mean, that depends on what you want. Okay, and then match to, put first part of number, and then apply. Okay, beautiful. We still have 647, and then just select the one you like.
I would go with this one.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, perfect. Click verify, and then Canada. And then driver's license. You can scan it on your phone, by the way.
This is just for the purpose of verifying identity, right?
Yeah. But it only happens once. So like if we decide to buy more phone numbers in the future for tracking purposes, then it will not do it again. It's like once per account. So we are done. Click done. Beautiful. And then click the pen icon. It's in the middle of the screen next to the phone number. Yeah. And then that's where you can do forward calls to. And you can select where you want to forward the calls to. Let me just clarify a couple of things. So if you have multiple salespeople in the system, it will do priority will be a person assigned to a contact, to a lead. So for example, if you are assigned to a lead, it will forward calls to you if they call the number. But if there is another person assigned, it will not call the number that is there on the screen, it will forward the calls to a salesperson. So you don't have to worry about that. But for now, you still need to decide on what basically the secondary importance is. And you see call recording checkbox? Yeah. And unselect that one, play call recording message. So it's going to record the conversation, but people will not know unless you want to keep it off. I usually uncheck it because it just faster, saves more time. People are not too stressed about this. And then bottom right, save. Basically what we can do here as well, if we can lower that number to 10 seconds, for example. And what we can do is we can turn on voice AI receptionist. So if you do not pick up the phone after 10 seconds, receptionist will talk to them. So we don't miss any calls at all, after hours or during the hours. So you can click edit and then put it lower to 10. And then if busy, then AI will talk to them. And then you're going to get a text message with a summary of the conversation. And then you can call them back, already knowing what happened with AI talking to person. So it saves you a lot of time. So we are done. The only thing which is weird, if you go to in the top left corner and then go to marketing and then settings and then Instagram, direct Instagram integration, that's good. And you can connect it. So you can close that. Beautiful. And click on Facebook. Yeah, so that will help us once we get a review. It will post it automatically to your social media, only if it's 5 stars. So now on the back end, what I'll do is do the verification. So we get that phone number verified for text messaging, which will take 20 or 30 bucks. It's like a one-time fee to verify phone number, which sucks, but it is what it is. And then
that's going to be using the credit card that we have on file?
Yeah.
Okay, as long as I have receipts, I'm happy, bro.
Yes, good. Okay, sure. Gotcha.
Oh, another thing I would like is on my dashboard, I would want to know how many leads were received from every source. For example, Car Gurus. I want to know where I got my leads from, so that way I'd be able to know the numbers. Is that possible on the dashboard?
Yes, of course.
Beautiful. Okay. So look over here. Let's say I click on, let's say this one. This is what you would also be with you gripping. This is exactly what I would be getting as well, right?
No, in the notes, what I put is everything, like the
Everything,
name,
the email,
phone. I put everything.
So how are you able to do this? Because I asked turnover, I said anything that I get in the email, I want it to be in the notes. And they're telling me, oh, this is not on our end. This is on your web provider. They are not sending it in. They're not sending it in the right format.
That's the CRM's problem. They couldn't map it properly. The way I map it, it's gonna be all in the notes.
So anything that I receive in the email body,
it's gonna be in the notes.
I'm gonna get all of this in the notes.
Mm-hmm. It's not gonna be structured the same way, but like it's gonna have phone, vehicle information, stock number, listing, like all the like vehicle details are going to be there, and the contact details, but it's not going to be structured. Like it's not going to look exactly like this because
no problem, but it's going to have most of this information.
Of course.
So that way, when I go in the notes, I can see what car they were also interested in, right?
Everything. You're going to see everything. So you don't have to go one by one into like the single.
I can't believe this. I was literally losing my mind. I mean, the notes, man, like it's so important to have the information in there. You'll send me the email for ADF, right? For me to send to all my lead providers for them to send it to that email.
Mm-hmm. I mean, you can write it down right now. I'm gonna give it to you right now. Hold on, and I'm gonna send you here in the chat, in the Google Meet chat.
So this is what I send to all my lead providers, right?
Yep. So for example, like if I send anything to this right now. Let's see what it will look like in the system. Okay, good. We received them. Amazing. Card deals.
I just got a notification from yours
right now, and we got it. Beautiful. Okay, great.
See that right now.
We're getting leads. Give this email that I sent, basically the leads at. You can already give it to all the lead providers, which is the website, Car Gurus, Auto Trader, Kijiji.
So I think we're all good. I have the email. I'm going to send it to my web provider, and I'm going to also ask my web provider to change
to change the form, and then once the form is submitted, to send leads to me to that email.
Okay, so that's what I need to do on my end. And then after that, when we implement all that, remember we said about the deliverability, sending it to like 50 people that way.
Yeah, that's another checkbox for you. Give me a list of like as many people as possible, and like basically name and email. That's all I need. Name and email.
So I have 3 things to do.
We've done. Amazing. Good job.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I love it.
Okay, brother.